Never heard me spitting cause I gotta maintain and I gotta stay out of my own way cause I don't know how to bust cause I'm feeling like a thrust and I'm busting like I know I got the wind under my feet. I'm moving so quick and gotta move, not a peak. Never serve me cause I gotta move when I sleep. Never moving food, never heard me cause I eat. Eat better when I'm coming through on a cover. Make you wanna be like this, I'm coming on the double. I'm coming like this, make you wanna feel on my level. You never heard me spit cause I got some trouble. That's been stirred up, I'm spitting so quick. Hitting these things like a truck better when I spit. In your face I'm crazy, make you wanna hit me. Never heard me lazy, including JC. Make you motherfuckers wanna feel me as I bust. If you wanna feel me like I do it cause I must. Step in my head, I'm holding my ass on the left of me. Never heard me spit, got to let you know what's up, see. Free as I do it, I'm coming so I screw it. Never lose it, never down, make you wanna pursue it. Nothing with the real hip-hop, Asian in my blood. Make you wanna come, little like in cuz. That's how I do, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Alright, let me have the mic. We're going to keep it real. See, that's the microphone. Yo, I want to introduce my boy Anthony. For all the people in the b-boy world, you know, before I was actually in the crew called Lunacy, I was in another crew called Footwork Bangers. And the whole concept with the Footwork Bangers is that the way that we come out the Central Valley, we have Latinos, and we got the brothers on, they always banging. So we just decided to flip that negativity and just flip it in hip-hop, so we just call it Footwork Bangers. He's an original, honestly. Me and him started, we went to Stockton. On the record, we battled DSD. They know what's up. It was at the Stockton Civic Center. Yeah, it was me and him. Yo, it was getting crazy. Brothers was giving it up.
Just trying to do my thing here with the network, trying to get my stuff going down, so when I come out, I got to come out large.
Word. All right.
That's how we do it around here.
Let me hand you the mic.
All I got to say is thanks out to Mikey Ice for all this smooth collaboration, some style that only he brings to this game. Everybody knows his name. Everybody knows what I'm saying. I'm not trying to say anything about nobody out there, but I know Mikey got love for every hip-hop nation, including Zulu, of course, so we just be throwing it down. He got the Footwork Bangers written across his chest like he does Superman, but we do it all crazy. My boy Mikey Ice is down to get down with this crazy-ass contest battle over here, but either way, he's doing it crazy. So all I gotta say is give him some love out there for this little hip-hop freestyle session, show my boys some love, and let you guys do it straight.
All right. Yo, bring that beat back. I'm about to drop my little skit, because this song is about to end, so we gotta bring it back one time.
So here we go.
Just bring it back. Same beat.
Here we go.
Okay. All right. So yo, you hold the camera though, and let's do that.
Right.
About. So what's going on? What's the questions you want to ask?
Okay. Well, first off, I just want to know how you feeling right now after all this media entertainment, all this crazy feedback on the video. And I mean, we doing it righteous. I got you. Don't worry. We all straight. I like to do my shit crazy with the camera. So, anyways, how do you feel right now?
Yo, I feel great right now. It's August the 11th or the 12th?
It's the 11th.
August 11th, 2012. It is what it is. Yeah, original style, original b-boy, been breaking for a long time, seen basically every generation that came to the dance floor. I can verify that, I got proof. I'm also down with the Style Elements crew.
Yeah.
The Mighty Zulu Nation.
Love the Style Elements.
Yo, I'm entering this dance tonight as a collaboration with my homeboy Anthony. We used to go by the crew name called the Footwork Bangers.
Footwork Bangers!
We're going to all the raves, house
We'll put it down, boy.
Putting it down, so I'm going to use that same concept today. Footwork Bangers.
Mikey Ice.
It's going to go down real official tonight. You're going to see the video to it, so I'm basically...
Cool, man. I cannot wait till the video comes out. You're going to have a
win.
Hell yeah. So are you going to have this video out, maybe make some copies, maybe out for your next, show it on your site?
Yeah.
Cool, man.